I am from Janagraha, and Janagraha has basically two projects under its kitty as of now, which is I Chain My City and the second one is I Paid a Bribe. Uh, Basically, Janagraha is into urban capacity and development. In the sense, we believe that if India has to succeed, the first thing that has to happen is to the cities, the metros or the Taiwan cities have to basically grow. And for that to happen, there are four different things that we think are very important: urban planning and design, urban capacity and resources, transparency, accountability, and empowered legitimate political participation, which we believe if happens, the quality of life improves across all the cities. And what I Chain My City does, I Chain My City is basically an online platform which helps the citizens, the civic agencies, and elected representatives to basically know what is happening in the city. So we basically, deal with civic issues in the city. Right now we are in Bangalore, okay? And the civic issues that basically most of the cities face is potholes, not functional street lights, garbage problems, sewage issues, and stuff like that. And how do people, get to know that there is a way to reach out to this, agencies to basically clear out these issues? So we come into the picture and say, you can come to I Chain My City, lodge a complaint about, whatever issues that you're facing in your city, and then we'll take it up and we'll pass it across to, the concerned agencies, and then they'll work towards it to closure. Okay. So what happens to your complaint is basically once you raise a complaint, I Chain My City basically talks to these agencies, and the agencies get back to you and say that within a particular turnaround time we will close the complaint. That's how we work. So also on I Chain My City, when a user posts a complaint, we make sure that I Chain My City is not just a platform wherein people post complaints. We also ensure that other people in this particular area say that I'm affected by a particular complaint. So suppose I live in Bangalore in a particular area, and I'm also facing the same issue that somebody has posted a complaint, and I think it is relevant to me. So what I do is I vote up to that complaint. It's very similar to how your Facebook likes work, okay, which says that so many people are also affected by the same problem. So these are some of the I Chain My City users who have said how they have used the platform to basically benefit to change the city, okay. And the success stories are, the ones that are mentioned here, okay. So we have a before and an after picture. The before picture clearly shows how the road was, and the person posted a complaint on I Chain My City, and we took it up to the concerned agency, and they made sure that that road was fixed. And we also have different success story. We call these people who come to the site and post complaints, we call them champions of change, because we believe that they are very involved in whatever our agenda is. Till date, I Chain My City has received close to 10,900 complaints, and more than 50% of it has got resolution. So we've got a total user base of 35,000, and we have a total visits of 12.5 lakh as of date.
Not a minute.
One moment. So basically, these are apps. We are on Android, iOS, as well as Windows. Okay. What our apps does is very simple. If you see a complaint, you have to download the app. And if you're traveling, you find an issue wherever you go, you just have to click a picture and say that this is the area wherein you are facing the issue. So I've just put some screenshots. So this is how it works. You log in as whoever you are. If you're a citizen, you can log in as a citizen and post a complaint about that particular area. And the maps are linked to the particular app, so it picks up the location for that particular from wherever you are posting a complaint. And then it also gives you complaints near you. Suppose I'm from Vasant Nagar, and it gives me all the complaints that are based out of Vasant Nagar, so I can see other complaints also. So this is how the Android app, I was just showing the iOS app, and same for Windows app as well. And finally, I Paid a Bribe, that's the second project that we have. I Paid a Bribe is basically more to do with the retail corruption that exists in India. We basically concentrate on